I just turned a disc into a ninja star, and this is how. For this project, you will need a bowl of hot water, duct tape, 2 quarters, a marker, a ruler, scissors, a disc, and a paper towel. First, soak your disc in hot water for around 2 minutes. Dry your disc. Now we're going to draw a throwing star, so just go ahead and put a mark here, 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 and here. And then put marks at the top in between these 4. Using a ruler, go ahead and draw lines from your top to bottom dots. Just take your scissors and cut out the outline. After you cut yours out, take sandpaper to sand down these edges. To make it fly better, go ahead and tape a quarter to both sides. Put duct tape around it to make it look cooler. For target practice, I used an apple which the throwing star went into easily. Then last, I threw at this balloon target, which I have a video for in the description below. Be sure to like and subscribe. Peace.